Welcome to Stancor Tubulars, where excellence in seamless pipes manufacturing meets innovation and reliability. Nestled within the prestigious Stancor groups, the conglomerate of 1.5 billion USD, we specialize in crafting stainless steel duplex, super duplex, and high nickel alloy seamless pipes. Our pipes play a vital role in industry, ranging from oil and gas to pharmaceuticals, from power plants to robotics, ensuring seamless operation across diverse sectors. With a global footprint spanning 12 countries, our team over 1,200 professionals working tirelessly to forge enduring partnerships with Fortune 500 companies worldwide.
Backed by accreditations like ISO 14001-2015, EMS 18001-2015, OSAS 45001-2018, IBR 1950, PED and EIL certified.
At Stancor Tubulars, our commitment to excellence is unwavering. We strive not only to meet but exceed the industry benchmarks, ensuring the highest level of and reliability. Our product range includes stainless steel seamless pipes, super duplex steel seamless pipes, nickel alloy seamless pipes, and duplex steel seamless pipes, catering to diverse industrial needs. So why choose us? With a maximum delivery time of just 45 days, emergency-ready stocks, and unmatched quality to ensure swift problem resolution with the round-clock service. Our success story is incomplete without mentioning our dedicated team of professionals who are the driving force behind our achievements. Our qualified project sales engineers work closely with the clients, offering personalized solutions tailored to their unique requirements. Ready to experience excellence in seamless pipe manufacturing? Contact us today. Stancor Tubulars, where innovation meets reliability.